Okay, we have got a direct variation problem here. It says Rita's weekly pay varies directly with the number of hours she worked. Well, I know right away if it's direct variation, it's kind of like the y equals k times x. That's what the equation looks like when it varies directly. And so if the pay varies directly, I'm going to say the pay varies directly with the number of hours she works. So I'm going to use H and P, pay and hours. So if she works 28 hours, she makes $686. Well, first we need to find the constant of variation. So basically what that means is we're looking for K, right? So we can put the pay in for the P. So 686 equals, we don't know what K is, and then 28 hours. Okay, we divide by 28 because it was multiplied there. Divide here by 28, and we will get 24.5, or basically $24.50. I would have accepted either, so I'll just put 24.5 because that's what you would get. But in this case, basically it means she's making $24.50 an hour. So when it asks for the constant of variation, that first part, this is what it's asking for. Okay, now we want to know how much money would she make if she works 38 hours. So in this case, we don't know the pay. We do know the constant of variation, which is 24.5, and she works 38 hours. So we'll multiply those. Oops. Okay, we get $931. Now we want to make sure that kind of makes sense too. Does it make sense if she works more hours, she gets paid more money? Well, I sure hope so. I know we all would feel bad if we worked more hours and didn't get more money. So yeah, 28 hours she gets 686, and 38 hours she'll get 931. So that's the answer down here. So this one kind of had two parts. So I would say on these, first make sure you have the correct formula, and then find that constant first. That's always your first step, that K, and then you use the K to help solve the rest of the problem.